We won't dwell on why perpetrators do what they do. Their reasoning doesn't make sense, and it really doesn't matter. Suffice it to say that there are plenty of perpetrators out there. They come from all walks of life, all economic situations, and many are trusted and respected citizens. So it is important for you to recognize how they operate. An adult who is sexually attracted to young children is known as a pedophile. Psychologists have defined other types of sex offenders as well. Some only prey on extremely young victims, while others target older children. Some only target victims of the opposite sex, while many choose victims of the same sex or both sexes. It is not uncommon for a sex offender to have many victims, but some only target one or two victims. This is especially true with incest. Although it is hard to believe that a mother or father would sexually abuse their own child, incest is fairly common. The offending parent may openly treat his or her offspring with the affection a husband and wife would typically share. In cases of incest, both parents may be involved, either in the actual abuse or as enablers who refuse to intervene and take action to stop the abuse. Incestuous families tend to be very private. The parents may be vehemently opposed to sex education classes for fear of being exposed, and they may discourage a teenager from dating. While most reported and prosecuted cases of child sexual abuse involve male perpetrators, there may be many more women sex offenders than we currently recognize. Since our society trusts women as caregivers, it is generally easier for female perpetrators to get away with sexual abuse. Because of our society's double standard, boys who are sexually abused by women may not regard these encounters as abusive. But such incidents can distort a young person's natural sexual development and cause them emotional trauma. In some cases, this can even lead the victim to abuse younger children. Megan's Law and posted information on convicted sex offenders living in our communities may seem like a tough stance on sexual abuse. While the information may be helpful, realize that it actually only identifies a small percentage of sex offenders, those who were caught, convicted, released, and made the list. Don't get lured into a false sense of security. It's much more likely for someone you trust to sexually abuse your child. Remember, before they were known criminals, most of these perpetrators were trusted friends, neighbors, and parents.
Hello, I'm John Usbasic, CEO of Merit Career Development. Videos like this are funded entirely through the generous support and donations of our patrons. If you found this video helpful, please support our ongoing efforts to combat child abuse by donating to our Patreon at www.patreon.com/meritcd. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you.